Hi, I'm Pip. Today we have something yummy again. Are you ready? The banana. Look, a banana. A giant yellow banana. This is the banana. The banana. Say it with me. Banana. Banana, wonderful. Look, the banana isn't straight, it is bent. Bent. Say it with me. Bent. Bent, super. Now let's peel the banana. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Inside, the banana is white. Lots of bananas grow in the garden. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little bananas. Now let's try it. MMMMH. Yummy. Say it with me. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Banana, banana, yellow and sweet. Banana, banana, good to eat. Banana, banana, yellow and sweet. Banana, banana, good to eat. What is that? The banana. Yellow and bent. And so yummy. Great job. Bye bye. See you soon.